Okay, so I'm going to show you Autumn Leaves. So the chords on it, you have to look in your real book. That's where it's going to be A minor 7 or on a real book disc. But I'm just going to tell you what the chords are. So A minor 7, the way I play it is A minor 7. So it's E, G, A, C. And then you have common fingerings on most of the song. So A minor 7 to D7. So you keep these two. This is kind of like the idea. Keep these two fingers, bring these two over. So you go to D and F sharp. That becomes a D7. And then you move the other side. Keep these two, bring these two over. Becomes a G major 7. So that's a 2-5-1. That's in the key of G major. All of those. So I went. This side moves, and this side moves. And then this side moves. It's like, see the pattern here? And then this side moves. This is F sharp minor 7 flat 5. Now this one is even easier, just your middle finger moves over. It's a B7 flat 9. It's hard to tell it's a B7 because there's no B in it. Because you have the flat 9 right here instead of the B. And you can do that. You can put the attention, which is a 9, 11, 13, 5, sharp 5, tensions, you can put them at the beginning of the chord. And then E minor 7 is, you have to pick your hand up and move the whole. That's the only time you had to actually move everything. So B, D, E, G. So that's what that does on the first section. And then you do that twice, and then you're on to this again. So you either have one of these patterns or the other one. So I'm starting on F sharp minor 7 flat 5, B7 flat 9, E minor 7, and then it goes back to this one again. 2, 5, 1. But this time it stays on G major 7, and you're back to this one. F sharp minor 7 flat 5, B7 flat 9. Then you go like this. There are different things that people do depending on what real book you're looking at. E minor 7, and move these two, A7, move these two, D minor 7, whoops, and move these two, G7. Or you can go E minor 7, E flat 7, D minor 7, D flat 7, and then go to F sharp minor 7 flat 5 again. E minor 7. Okay, so as far as the melody goes, I could do it here, but I'm going to just do it an octave up just in case the chords kind of like maybe get in the way a little bit. So this is what the melody does. E, F sharp, G. It just goes in a line, then you go down a note and, a whole step. And then you do kind of the same thing. Whoops. Oh. Again. C, D, E, A. This is the second ending. It goes. So down. Then you go. That was F sharp, B, F sharp. It's a really easy melody. And then D, D octave. And that's the whole thing. So the trick to this song is, what you do. It's kind of easy because you're kind of doing the melody and then the chords, and you're holding the chord, but you're not necessarily really doing both parts at the same time. You're just going. When you hit to the end of the phrase, then you hit the chord and then the next chord. So you go, and then the next chord while you hold that note, and then you're on to this. X chord, and the following chord, and then X chord and following chord, and then the last chord, and does it again. And the second ending. Chords are exactly the same, it's just the melody changes a little bit there.